If you are still wasting your weekends scrubbing black mold in your bathroom just for it to come back a few weeks later, you are putting your health at risk and throwing money down the drain. The truth is, traditional sprays and bleach only bleach the surface, leaving the actual root of the mold alive and well. I'm going to show you exactly how I permanently erased years of ingrained mold in just 2 hours without any scrubbing. But right before I reveal this secret, you need to know that I put a link in the description with an exclusive 75% off discount for this exact solution, so go check it out right now so you do not miss it. At my age, I am extremely pragmatic and I refuse to spend my time aggressively scrubbing tiles and breathing in harsh, toxic chemical sprays. I had this awful, stubborn mold patch on my bathroom ceiling and the grout lines in my shower that nothing could fix, until I found Nuroclean mold gel. This is not a runny spray that drips everywhere and does nothing. It is a thick, patented gel formula that literally clings to any surface, even upside down on my ceiling, without a single drip. You just apply the gel directly onto the black mold, let it sit and do the heavy lifting for about 2 hours, and then simply wipe it away with a damp cloth. That is it. Absolutely no scrubbing required. Because it penetrates deep beneath the surface to destroy the mold at its absolute source, it completely eliminates the spores, the stains, and that nasty, musty odor for good, so the mold never comes back. It works miracles on tiles, wood, grout, and even metal. If you are tired of being embarrassed by moldy spots in your house and want a permanent, effortless fix, click the link in the description right now. There is a massive 75% off sale happening today, but their inventory is selling out extremely fast. Do not wait until they are completely out of stock. Use the link right below the video to claim your Nuroclean gel and finally get rid of that disgusting mold forever.